Hi, I have this old rigid shop vac 12-gallon version, which I've had for a very, very long time. I used to think it didn't work well, but discovered as the filter gets dirty, it loses suction. So I have to very often take it apart, clean the filter to make it work as expected. Now this one I have dedicated to my miter saw. So here's the filter. It's actually the original filter, which I keep cleaning. So it's lasted a long time. For this demonstration, I'm going to replace the filter with a brand new one. And here's an aftermarket one, which I purchased on Amazon. Now this vacuum, of course, is old, and due to the design, it doesn't allow you to use any of these bags, which would solve the problem if I could use a bag. But since it can't use a bag, I'm going to try out this FilterPal. This also I did buy on Amazon. It's this filter pad, the dust stops here. So this acts as a pre-filter to go over the filter on the back. Goes on with an elastic. So it just fits this vacuum. They have different sizes. Now you don't lose suction. It seems to work well. So that's the install for it. We'll have to see. I'll make an update in a few months just to see what the filter looks like after having done quite a bit of sawdust with the miter saw. See you then. Here's the location of the shop vac in the miter station.
Hi and welcome again. So it's been almost a year since I put the filter pad on this old rigid vacuum. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. So you can see quite a bit of sawdust from the miter saw. So now it's time to remove the FilterPal for the first time. So we can see that the actual shop filter is not too bad, but I think I might have got some removing the FilterPal, but overall I think the filter's pretty clean, certainly a lot cleaner than without. So I think it's doing a good job, but you can be the judge. This compared to what it would look like without it. So this will be very easy to clean. I'll just blow it with the air compressor. This, just shake it out. I guess you could wash it if you want, but I think shaking it out is pretty good. So I think I'll definitely continue using it, and I think it'll do a good job. So after a full year, I can clean this off pretty simple.
So after shaking and blowing it out, I mean, like I said, it could be washed if you want to, but I think it'll be okay. The filter, after blowing it out a little bit, looks brand new, so I think it's going to last a long time. Can put it all back together. So we'll put the FilterPal back on.
The only thing that I would think would be a little better, I know it's on plastic, but I guess it could have been a tie string to put it really tight, but it's still doing its job.
And then the vacuum's ready to go. As mentioned earlier, it claims to reduce the suction very little, or none at all, they say. So I think overall I'm pretty happy with it for this old vac, or for any vac that you don't want to spend on bags. So I think this will do just fine. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope this was informative for you. I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.